Delicious autumn. My very soul is wedded to it, and if I were a bird, I would fly about the earth seeking the successive autumns. Victorian writer Mary Ann Evans, known by her pen name, George Eliot. Her lamp does not go out by night. I imagine my grandmothers preparing food by lamplight that they would have then cooked in a wood stove. The hard work they did to keep their families going inspires me, and at this point in my life, I certainly find myself thinking about them often and missing them. Missing their wisdom, their strength, knowledge, but mostly missing the love with which they cared for their families. They watched over the ways of their households, and they certainly did not eat the bread of idleness. She seeks wool and flax and willingly works with her hands. She is like the merchant ships. She brings her food from afar. She also rises while it is yet night and provides food for her household. From Proverbs 31. A true home is one of the most sacred of places. It is a sanctuary into which men flee from the world's perils and alarms. It is a resting place to which at close of day the weary retire to gather new strength for the battle and toils of tomorrow. It is the place where love learns its lessons, where life is schooled into discipline and strength, where character is molded. Few things we can do in this world are so well worth doing as the making of a beautiful and happy home. He who does this builds a sanctuary for God and opens a fountain of blessing for men. Far more than we know, do the strength and beauty of our lives depend upon the home in which we dwell. He who goes forth in the morning from a happy, loving, prayerful home into the world's strife, temptation, struggle, and duty is strong, inspired for noble and victorious living. J.R. Miller. Give her of the fruit of her hands, and let her own works praise her in the gates. I actually found the recipe for this cake in a cookbook my Mama Chandler gave me years ago, and I've tweaked it over the years to make it our favorite apple cake. We love the layers of apples flavored simply with cinnamon and sugar between layers of pound cake. I love the beautiful colors outside, and I like to bring those warm colors inside to reflect this season as well. Red apples, vanilla strawberry hydrangeas, the beautiful colors of nature. Is there anything better in the fall than the scent of a freshly baked apple cake coming out of the oven? I don't think so. It sure makes the kitchen feel and smell like home. A brown sugar glaze adds the perfect topping. I hope you're ready for a slice because it won't last long. A cozy kitchen is definitely the place to be on these rainy fall days. And I've decorated my kitchen for this season with all things vintage, natural, foraged, or grown by me. Hydrangea garlands, brownware, mini pumpkins. Oak and maple leaves clipped from outside. And of course, a comfy chair is a must in a farmhouse kitchen. Fabrics always play a big part in my decor, so I made a sing skirt out of this brown floral fabric I found last winter. If you have been afraid that your love of beautiful flowers and the flickering flame of the candle is somehow less spiritual than living in starkness and ugliness, remember that He who created you to be creative gave you the things with which to make beauty and the sensitivity to appreciate and respond to His creation. Edith Schaefer.